how to manually change the knife. Press the green button and get out the tool. If the tool is broken, you can check in. Now this tool is too old. We are going to change. At the behind of the machine, there is a holder for the tool. Engineer will use a spindle to uninstall. Release the tool. Loose the collector to take out the tool and change the tool. Engineer have take a new knife tool, and put inside the collector. Then screw it to tense. Make sure it is fixed, and take it out. Press the green button to install it on the spindle. This is the finished tool change.